What?
This is a model of an 8-inch oil skimmer, and you can see the oil being scraped off the belt. It's a Monroe Model 8. And Kayla, if you take a picture of the clean belt after it gets scraped, you can see the belt's pretty clean, and then it goes into the tank, and that bottom roller is normally under the liquid level. The water's been evaporated. This is just a model. We're going to put some more water in here. But the belt goes into the oil, pulls up the oil, and you can see the belt coming up. It really is pulling up the oil, and then it comes around, back up a little bit, and you can see the top of the drive. And then I think you ought to zoom the other way so it's in the distance, so you can see it. Zoom as far out as you can. Okay. And then the belt comes around, and then it gets scraped on both sides of the belt. You can see how that's really pulling off a lot of oil. And it's mainly oil. You don't get a lot of water, if any water, coming up when you have an oil layer on the surface. Wipes both sides of the belt. There's really no adjustment required. You can see how the belt goes around one and then around the other. It always maintains tension just because of the shape of the scrapers. So I'm going to go get some water. We'll put it in the tank, because normally the roller would be held on a light frame assembly that would hold the roller to maintain the belt tension on the belt. One of the big advantages of this type of belt skimmer is that the belt is really wide, and you can get them up to 24 inches wide. You get a lot of surface area. And there are devices like hoses and other smaller elements that will go through the water, but you got to run them pretty fast to get anywhere near an amount of oil that's worthwhile. And when you go fast, you bring up water. This type of unit can run fairly slowly, and you only get